Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to make the packages for online shopping. A lot of us do online shopping these days as the lockdown or quarantine has started. So what you need is an old online shopping cover which you can use if you are recycling it over here, scissors and clear tape. So but first you need to cut out a rectangular shape that's based on the thing which you wanted to keep inside it. So I really stuff real things inside it, making it little more fun for my dog photograph. Then you